Our hammer test adjust after adjusting the cam height here and the height of the hinge back here with these adjuster screws, and then resecuring the center assemblies on the sides here. It made a huge difference. I know the last one was really underwhelming, but this is kind of exciting. Well, I don't know how good you can see that or not, but as you can see, it is giving a pretty good solid hit. It's not too bad, and it's adjustable for different material thicknesses and sizes. I'm still a little bit unsure about the hit of the machine. I kind of feel like I should be using a heavier hammer, and I'm still kind of unsure about these springs. You know, they're still just a little bit weak. I figure that the spring plate here between the two posts is probably costing me about a third to a quarter of the energy that the machine is generating. As you can see, you can absolutely tear up a piece of 3/8 inch thick trim like it ain't nothing. I'm assuming that good soft hot metal, it'll be pretty much the same. And that's the end of our test for this time, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.